Klover is a financial service that allows users to access their paycheck early. And one common question is whether it accepts PayPal as a payment method. To answer this, let's break down the information step by step. First, we need to understand what Klover is and how it works. Klover is an app that provides users with instant access to their wages, allowing them to manage their finances more effectively. The app is linked to the user's bank account, and it uses this connection to provide early access to the user's paycheck. Next, let's look at PayPal and its role in online transactions. PayPal is a popular payment method that allows users to send and receive payments online. It is widely accepted by many merchants and services, but its acceptance can vary depending on the specific service or platform. Now, let's address the question of whether Klover accepts PayPal. Unfortunately, Klover does not accept PayPal as a payment method. The app is designed to work directly with the user's bank account, and it does not support PayPal or other third-party payment services. To use Klover, users need to link their bank account to the app, and all transactions are processed through this account. This means that users cannot use PayPal to fund their Klover account or to receive payments from Klover. In summary, Klover does not accept PayPal as a payment method. The app is designed to work directly with the user's bank account, and it does not support third-party payment services like PayPal. If you are considering using Klover, you will need to link your bank account to the app and use it to manage your finances. It is worth noting that Klover's policy on PayPal may change in the future, so it is always a good idea to check the app's terms and conditions for the most up-to-date information. Additionally, users should always review the fees and terms associated with any financial service before signing up. By understanding how Klover works and what payment methods it accepts, users can make informed decisions about their financial management.